Great day, everyone! It is another day to gain some knowledge. This is Teacher Maricar, and welcome to Gamblish.com. Today, we will have the preview of another interesting English information or article from this book, English Reading Basic 5. Let's learn and explore English. Are you ready now? Okay, let's start. Today, we will discuss Unit 9. Let's learn about this passage entitled Benjamin Franklin. Look at the picture. You can see here Benjamin Franklin. Let's find out who is he. So, I will read this passage for you, but first, I will read it slowly so you can get the correct pronunciation of the words here. And after that, you can join me in reading it again. So, you have to listen very carefully. Alright, I will start now. Benjamin Franklin was an adventurous scientist. One stormy night, Benjamin and his son went outside and flew a kite to catch electricity. They attached a metal piece on the top of the kite and a metal key at the end of the string. After lightning struck the kite, Benjamin touched the key. It gave him a small electric shock. Fortunately, he didn't hurt himself, but it was a really dangerous experiment. Later, he invented a lightning rod. It is an iron stick on roofs of houses or buildings. It protects the houses and the buildings from lightning damage. And now, let's read this again, but faster than the first one. Let's begin! Benjamin Franklin was an adventurous scientist. One stormy night, Benjamin and his son went outside and flew a kite to catch electricity. They attached a metal piece on the top of the kite and a small key at the end of the string. After lightning struck the kite, Benjamin touched the key. It gave him a small electric shock. Fortunately, he didn't hurt himself, but it was a really dangerous experiment. Later, he invented a lightning rod. It is an iron stick on roofs of houses or buildings. It protects the houses and the buildings from lightning damage. Alright, I hope that you got the correct pronunciation of the words. If you have some time, try to read it again to enhance your ability in reading. Okay, did you understand the passage? Good. So let's have some activities here and let's answer it together. Are you ready now? So let's start from the first activity, which is the select true or false. Okay, so in this first activity, I am going to read the sentences and then we will find out if the sentence is true or false. Alright, so are you ready now? Let's start. Number 1. Benjamin Franklin was an adventurous scientist. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Okay, so let's see why this is the answer. Here is the sentence that will support our answer in number 1. Benjamin Franklin was an adventurous scientist. How about number 2? One windy night, Franklin went outside and flew a kite. Is it true or false? The answer is false. Here, one stormy night, Benjamin and his son went outside and flew a kite to catch electricity. Next, number 3. Benjamin Franklin invented a lightning kite. Is it true or false? The answer is false. Here, he invented a lightning rod. Now, we've finished the first activity. Before we proceed to the second one, let's learn more vocabulary words that will be useful in making your own sentences. So let's look at our word box. You can see here words. So I will read it for you and then repeat after me. I will start now. Adventurous, stormy, kite, electricity, attach, string, lightning rod, damage. So we can proceed now to the second activity, which is the vocabulary checkup. So you can see here blank spaces. So we are going to find out what is the missing word that we can find here in our word box. So I will read it for you and then I will give you time to think about the correct word to make those sentences complete. So I will start now. Number 1. She lives an blank life. Number 2. Nobody can go out in this blank weather. Number 3. The heavy snow caused much blank the crops. And number 4. The radio is run by blank. So let's answer it now. Number 1. What is the answer? Adventurous. She lives an adventurous life. How about number 2? What is the answer? It's stormy. Nobody can get out in this stormy weather. How about number 3? What is the answer? It's damage. The heavy snow caused much damage the crops. And last number 4, what is the answer? It's electricity. The radio is run by electricity. This is the end of our lesson for today. I hope that you learned something from it. So, if you want to learn more and want to develop your English skills, you are welcome to visit Camplish.com. Again, this is Teacher Maricar and see you in our next video. Bye!